Hi guys, it's Frugal Fani. Are you looking for a frugal and sustainable way to keep the tradition of gift wrapping? I have some frugal ideas that may help. So today we're going to reduce and reuse. Why is that important? Well, I asked myself the same question. Why is recycle at the end of the list? Reduce, reuse, recycle. So I went to the EPA.gov website and I found this. And I made you a sign because that's what I do. Say it with me. Information is power. So why reduce and reuse come first? First of all, it prevents pollution caused by harvesting new raw materials, like bauxite to make aluminum. It reduces greenhouse gases that are emitted into the atmosphere, and that leads to climate change. It reduces waste, puts less stress on our landfills and our incinerators. It helps sustain the planet for the future, and everybody can relate to this one, it saves money. So, what I'm going to show you is how you can use eco-friendly packaging as wrapping paper. I order from this retailer for a lot of my eco-friendly products. I try to buy them all at the same time. I like auto ship because with some planning, you end up getting a lot of products in one box, and that saves money and it saves resources. So I have my unbleached wax paper and my parchment paper, my bamboo straws, my compostable waste bags. Oh, these compostable, like little bags for fruits and veggies, and all of this stuff is kept from banging around in this box by paper. Now in this particular delivery, I got 4 sheets of this long brown plain paper. So I simply folded it up, I put it in my gift closet until I need to wrap a gift. So I want to give this as a gift. Why do we need to wrap gifts? Well, we really don't. If you're giving something to a family member, you might just Venmo them money and have them buy it themselves. Or you may give it to them the next time you see them. But showing up at a party with an unwrapped gift can be a little awkward. So let's pretend I'm taking this to a party and I'm giving it as a gift. This is a wine tumbler. It's insulated, it's a great product, it has a lid. You can find them at most retail stores like TJ Maxx and Marshall's. So I'm going to use the same paper that the retail checkout person used to wrap this gift to make sure that it didn't bump into things in my reusable bag and get chipped or dented or scratched. But then, since we're going to be using some paper that has a little wrinkle to it, you're going to need some sharp edges. So I found a box that fits this product, and I'm just going to pop it in there so it'll be much easier to wrap. So I have this in my square box with my edges. I get a piece of measured out paper. How did I know how much I needed? Used my favorite thing, the tape measure. And I'm simply going to put a little piece of tape on there to hold it steady. I'm going to fold it up. So this is brown, regular brown, looks like butcher paper. So there are a number of things you can do to make this look festive. I don't know if you can see this or not, but you can write to and from and put the person's name on it and the giver's name on it. You can doodle on this, you can draw hearts and birthday greetings. This is a great art project for young kids. Have them go at it with a gift to grandmama. Give them some colored pencils, some crayons, and let them do the decorating. Another thing you can do, which is very eco-friendly, is buy a roll of jute. You know what jute is? I bet you do. You've just never known what it was called. This is a plant fiber, a vegetable fiber. It's grown just like cotton, hemp, and flax. It's very cheap. And it's the fiber that is used to make burlap. So it comes as a string, and if you want to, you can use it as ribbon. You can also take it apart, unwind the string into 3 strands. And in order to make those strands a little more presentable, you can just dip them in a candle to get the little wigglies off. And then you can also take some beeswax. We like to use beeswax. It's a natural product. Protect the bees. And just make a little end for each of these 3 so that they don't fray anymore. And it kind of gives it a finished edge, kind of like a shoelace edge. It also makes it easier for threading it through things. So you can, in the fall or winter, use some pine cones that you pick up around your neighborhood, keep them in a basket near the front door, and when you need a little decoration for the top of a gift, you can wind these thinner threads around and hold them, and they become a cute little decoration on your package. Or, it's not fall right now, it's summer. And so look at what I made over here. I decorated this package with the jute string, and I cleaned up the ends so that I could thread them through the holes in seashells and a sand dollar. So I decorated this package, and that'll make a nice gift for my friend Leslie. Okay? So I hope I've shown you some sustainable, frugal ideas for how to use packaging that already is in our home to make nice, presentable, festive gift wrap. If you like what you see, press like. Don't hesitate to subscribe. And if you have any other ideas about how to reuse packaging that comes in the mail, please pop me a comment. Thanks so much for listening. Frugal Fani says, peace.